Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to try to recover a YouTube video that was accidentally deleted in 2026. Start by opening the YouTube app on your phone and signing into your account if you aren't already. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile icon to access your account menu. Scroll through the options until you find Help and Feedback, then tap on it. After that, select Send Feedback. In the message box, clearly describe what happened. Mention that your video was removed by mistake and include details like the video title, upload date, and any other relevant information. Once you've finished explaining the issue, submit your request. The YouTube support team will review your message and, if possible, assist you with recovering the deleted video. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.